Turn up! This guy is crazy as fuck. He gotta be on Molly or some powder or something.
Wait, let me just stand up, turn my cam on, make the camera full screen, and I'll roll a dice. That video was actually insane. I watched it today. I actually was baffled how life is this way. God damn, I wish I was a girl. What?
Cheers, thanks for watching.
Nice. Blue. Watch out for the hook. I'll tank it for you, buddy. Alright, run for your fucking life, dude. Run. Get the fuck out. Oh no! Everyone is so fucking annoying in this game, actually. Shut the fuck up. I'll do it. Alright, we're fucking 1v1ing. Let's fucking do this, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit, fuck. I am done actually, there's no way I just lost this, right? I'm emotionally unstable right now, guys, please fuck off. Oh my god. Fuck it, I'm dead. What? Alright. I'm tilting right now, I can't take this game anymore. Tell me what kind of man would I be? If I fill up in that phantom, she gonna disappear. Living a life without any meaning. She's drunk already. You know what it is. Got this, you got this, my friend is on my right. Yay! I'm lit already. Alright, here we go. I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. Turn up the beat, please. Yeah. Okay. Charlie Sloth, fire in the booth. They try to pull me away, they don't know the truth. My heart's aching. I don't know. Wait, what? I thought that was me! Oh, I feel like I've heard it. Tell me why. What am I watching right now? Hit him!
I'm dead.
You're something else. I hope you're drunk or something, actually.
Energetically will I meet my opponent. They will not challenge me. They will not stop me from my goal. I shall defeat them on the field of battle, for I am better trained and will fight with all of my might. Defeat, retreat are not a champion's words. I will never leave anything but
I like it here.
Cyclone, where the fuck did you go? Where are you, Cyclone?